Vaari-aa na Jaavaa Ayk Vaar. Vaari-aa, there's like, it's translated as sacrifice. It's really not, I wouldn't say terrible, but it's a very religious kind of translation to me. It doesn't give me what I want. Vaari-aa is referring to time. It's referring to a turn of time, and the word vara in Gurmukhi is especially, it relates to being born or to dying. So Guru Nanak is saying, na Jaavaa. Let's go to that next part too, to put this Vaari-aa in context. Na Jaavaa, the word Jaavaa comes from the word Jai, and Ja is to go. You'll see the word Ja, it's a verb in Gurbani. It's often used to go or to leave or to depart. It also means to die or to be lost. And na Jaavaa gives the sense of impossibility. It's not even possible for me to be lost. It's not even possible. Vaari-aa na Jaavaa. It's not even possible for me to assign a whole life, to come and go, to take the turn of life, even one time. I can't even do that on my own. Vaari-aa na Jaavaa Ayk Vaar. I can't. There's a sense of impossibility here. It's a sense of, really, this is complete surrender. Guru Nanak is saying, I could spend my whole life trying to conceive this, trying to reach this state of Veechar, this state of complete conceptualization. And I could try, but I can't even dedicate a whole life to this. I would die. I would literally die before I could do that. I couldn't. It's not, I can't, I'm not capable of it, is Guru Nanak is saying. And then he finally gives in completely, and he says, Jo tu dapave. Oh, whatever you are pleased with, whatever's that, Jo, tu to you, pave, that which is pleasing, that which is acceptable. Sai, that is the very same. That's the very good balikar. That's turned out to be the good. That turns out to be what's excellent. Tu, you, sada, are infinite, always, ever, timeless, permanent. Salamat, again, another Persian word. There's so much of this language conflagration here in Gurbani. There's all the Hindu and the Vajrasan, but here we got Salamat, which again is that praising. It really means safe and secure. It's Tu Sada Salamat, Nirankar, formless. So everything here, you are completely eternal, endless, formless. All is safe and secure, and again, formless. There's just, we're contained in something that's so beyond form we can't even imagine. And I couldn't possibly spend my whole life understanding it.